In here, in this box, we've got the brand new Google Pixel 4a, and we're gonna check it out right now. If you're looking for tech reviews that give you the information that you actually care about, then hit that subscribe button and be sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Yes, we got a little impromptu unboxing going on here today. Let me take you back to about 2 weeks ago. On July 21st, I think it was, Team Pixel reached out to me and said, hey, would you like to join the team and be an ambassador and you know, talk about the products and whatnot? I thought, you know what? I know a lot of people that joined and you get review devices. So I said, yeah, sure, why not? And they said, great, give us your information. We'll be reaching out in a little while. So I thought, isn't that Pixel 4a and maybe the 5 going to be coming out soon? So I thought that would be really cool. So flash forward to Monday and no email. And my buddy Larry reached out to me and said, hey, did you get anything from Team Pixel about the 4a that they just announced today? I said, no. I said, I didn't think I'd be in the first round. Maybe they'll get it to me in about a week or two or so, something like that. So he's like, well, I reached out to them and they said that they were going to be sending them out and maybe you should reach out too. So I shot an email and they said, we don't want to spoil the surprise, but something might be coming out in early August. And I was like, well, it's August 3rd, so that's early August. Sure enough, I go to check my FedEx and there was something arriving today. And sure enough, it's the phone. All right, so let's go ahead and cut that open. Boom, and boom, and boom, and see what we got here. Alrighty. Well, there she is. I have not watched any videos on this yet. Seen some pictures, but I wanted to really get, you know, a first honest impression of this. Sorry for the bag noise, guys. I wanted to give you my first initial impressions of this device. There we go, and there is the device. A kind of like a matte back on there, matte black on there, and then you got the camera corner on the edge there. Very nice. And on the front, we have the phone, obviously. I really do like that little green button. That is just such a cool touch. And of course, you got the matte black button on the side here. But there is the device with the little punch hole in the top left corner for the front-facing camera. And let's go ahead and turn this on because, like I said, I haven't seen any videos on this. Oh, and that looks very, very nice. So let's go ahead and let that boot up. We'll put that to the side there and see what else we got in the box here. You have a little welcome guide, which I'm assuming is going to be warnings and all that sort of stuff and how to set up your new Pixel and whatnot. If you want to move everything over from an old phone, they have a cable that you can do that. And your, again, directions. Ooh, and a SIM tray removal tool. Very, very cool. Show you how to do that. And we got USB-C to USB-C, even though we are on a budget device here. They're nice enough to include that, or smart enough to include that, I should say. So they have also included a USB-C to USB-A adapter there as well. Look at this. It is a wall wart. For a budget phone, USB-C. I'm curious what kind of charge we got there. Because I'm blind as a bat, I cannot see. We'll have to check that out. But a wall wart in a budget device. And we're hearing rumors of, well, we won't talk about that right now. But that is what comes in the box. And let's go ahead and move this off to the side and see what the device looks like. So while that's checking for info, let's take a quick peek around the device. As you can see, we're getting some fingerprints on there a little bit already. But I guess, is that a fingerprint sensor or just a design? I mean, I don't know anything about these yet. I haven't watched a single video on it. You got your cutout there for your camera, which is driving me a little nuts because there's a speck of dust that just keeps moving around there. So looks like a single lens. Again, we'll have to find out with your flash. And like I said, they got that green sleep wake button, which just looks so cool. And the volume rockers up and down. You got a headphone jack still on the top with a microphone, as well as you got your cutouts for your microphone down here and your speaker. And of course the USB-C port. And nothing on the other side except your SIM tray. Okay, so yes, that is a fingerprint sensor on the back. And that is slick looking because it doesn't even look like a button. And lift it up, put it down, pick it up, lift it up. and that went 90 miles an hour. So that was freaking awesome. All right, so there we are. The new Pixel is all set up. And I gotta say, let me go ahead and dim this down for you guys a little bit here so you can see, just to make sure that you can see that on the camera there. So that is it. Looking very spiffy. Whoa, okay. Talking about the new iMacs that just came out. iMac Pros as well. So very, very cool there. Well, on that news. But there's the device to start. I'm happy to have a device that is pure Android. And to be honest with you, that's my favorite kind of Android. I don't like any skins on it. Not that I won't deal with it. I think devices have come such a long way, but I'm just a big fan of vanilla Android. Very, very cool, or plain Android, you want to call it that. So this has Android 10 on it and comes with 128 gigs of storage, I believe, 6 gigs of RAM. One thing I did want to show off is the fingerprint sensor on the back here. And I always love it on the back there. It opens up super, super quick. And you just kind of put your finger there, boom, it's open. So very good job there from the folks over at Google. But I have so many things planned for this device. With a price tag of $349, ultra budget, we're going to put this up against the iPhone SE 2020, the TCL 10 Pro, the TCL 10L maybe? And how about the LG Velvet? Those are definitely phones I'm going to want to put up against this. Big, big thanks to the folks over at Team Pixel for sending this out to me for review. I really appreciate that. I am super excited to do this. Of course, in the meantime, don't forget to check out that playlist right here of other smartphones. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You guys take it easy and have a great day.